Alrighty, good morning everybody. It is Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. Let's go ahead and take a look at what happened here yesterday. A very low volume and very low volatility market, right? Just kind of chopped around all day and didn't do very much with very limited volume. So unfortunately, nothing super amazing happened, although if you look at our roadmap levels, and this seems to be the case nearly every day here, shorting the back end of the 200 gave you this really nice about 5-6 point pullback. Shorting the back end of the VWAP, again, very limited risk, gave you a nice pullback right into the 200 again. And then shorting the back end of Hopal and the previous daily low here, both very close together, but both very discrete areas for rotations that you could have made some money trying to fade the market. Now remember, we had a lot of clues for the bears that we thought would, if we could hold below the previous daily low, this green line, then we were expecting the market to push down to our next pocket of expected support. And what happened all day is we kept coming to the previous daily low and getting rejection. So there were still nearly to the tick opportunities to capture rotations and get some of these little fades off of these levels. And then at the end of the day, if you faded the previous daily low, again, remember, didn't really break by more than 4 ticks, right? 1 point on the S&P, and you were able to get this, probably the biggest pullback of the day, from 52.87 all the way down to about 52.76 for a 10-point short, right? And then that was it. Market closed basically right where it opened here, and nothing exciting to really mention. Now, we're coming into this morning's market, and as you can see, we're starting to get an attempt by the bulls to recover from the pullback. They held the 200 nearly to the tick in the overnight session, held the VWAP, and now as you can see, we're just kind of getting a healthy pullback, holding back below VWAP at the moment. So that's basically it for our review. Pretty quick this morning. Yesterday was just a chop fest, although some pretty sexy holds off of our roadmap levels once again. And now here we come into this morning, and they are trying to break out through the high of yesterday and are right around 50% of the overnight range as I speak. So let's go ahead and jump up to the higher time frames and see what they have to say for this morning.